Welcome to Mom's and Shaylee's kitchen. And we want to say that.
Let's make brownies! Good afternoon, guys.
And I sleep in the couch.
She did sleep on the couch last night. It was so cute. She crashed there and we just let her stay there, huh?
Yeah, we want to stay there all day.
Well,
hi.
It is Saturday afternoon and I promised Shaylee.
Look at my hat.
You're a chef.
Yeah, I'm chef.
I promised Shaylee that we would bake up some brownies because she got for Christmas a whole chef kit with like measuring spoons.
Yeah,
and knives.
I just opened it by
You
myself.
did. And she got like her own bowl, her own measuring spoons, cups. What else is in here? A knife.
A knife comes this bag.
And
Today.
look at all this stuff that it came with. All this fun stuff.
And I got my own seed for me to make my ink.
That's right, your own spoon. So I promised her, I've been promising her that she could bake up this last batch of fudge brownies we have down in our food room.
Oh, there it is.
So that is what we're working on. That's a whisk.
Yeah, wait.
Look at her. I do have a whisk, huh? Look at her. Look how sticky cute. Oh, and it came with that apron and chef hat.
I really like it.
I really like it too.
And my face doesn't look like different than this hat.
It does look different. Okay, so should we get going?
Yeah!
Let's make brownies. Shaylee, how many eggs does the recipe say?
2.
But we're gonna put 3
Yep.
because it makes it more cakey.
And let's do it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh! Scummy. Okay.
All right.
Ah! Whoa!
Okay, Shaylee, we are gonna bake these brownies
To nothing.
for probably about 25 minutes or more, 350 degrees. You ready?
Done nothing. So happy. Brownies.
Yeah, tell us in the comments below if you like brownies. And there's Shaylee's brownies. She's already dug in, rightfully so. She should have the first brownie, but she's excited to share with the family. I'm proud of her. I'm glad she likes cooking. Good morning, friends. Happy Tuesday. Kids went back to school after a very long weekend. Yes. I love having them here, but the quiet is wonderful. Yeah. So I just got back from my massage. It was so good. She took a picture of me. It's quite hysterical. Here it is. It was buried underneath there. That was after she did my back, rolled over, and then she does my legs, like the front, my arms and everything. She was laughing. She's like, I need to take a picture of you. You look funny. So that's what she did. So I love Cherie. She's such a cutie. Go. So right now it is 11:30 and I'm throwing dinner in the crock pot. I'm making Mississippi roast, so I'm gonna get that in there. If you want to see how I make it, I'll leave a link below. They're for the sliders, but you see how you make the roast in the beginning, and then later in the video you see me turn them into sliders. I'm not gonna make the sliders, but we are gonna have the roast tonight. So click on the link if you want to know how to make it. So I'm just starting on dinner and I'm roasting some broccoletti. So we have broccoletti with avocado oil, salt, pepper, garlic, and some lemon juice. It's in a 375-degree oven and we're gonna cook this for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna stir it, let it roast for another 10 minutes until the florets become brown, and then we're gonna hit it with some Parmesan cheese. Good morning. I am starting off my morning with some avocado and 2 fried eggs with Havarti cheese in the middle. It's really good, but it is hard for me to eat breakfast. I'm not a get up and eat person. Like, it takes me a while. And so with keto, this has been the biggest and hardest thing for me, is actually like eating my breakfast. So but I woke up with a really bad headache, and ever since I started eating the avocado, my headache is actually like slowly going away. So I think there's something to that fat. So I have been decluttering my cookbook cabinet, which you guys will see here Monday. But Little Miss took my car to work today, or to school today, because I didn't need it, which is great. And I knew I needed to put gas in the car last night, but with her going to school and back and everything, she's like, I pulled into the driveway and the tank says 0, and I don't know how long I've been on 0, like the miles, like left. Sorry. Whoa. So she just found the gas tanks out in the garage. This one has gas, that one doesn't. So we're gonna go put this in the car. I have never put gas in my tank just by pouring one of these in.
It's probably just the same as putting one of the gas station thingy-mabobbers into the other thingy-mabobber.
Well, let's go put that thingy-mabobber in the car. Thingy-mabobber, what did I say?
No, I thought you were going to say something.
Oh, like, did I say something naughty? Because
I thought you were about to.
I do say naughty things, but that time I did not. All right, so I'm going to get some shoes on. We're going to go outside and put some gas in the car so then I could go fill up the tank.
Let's do this.
This is my life. Da, 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 da. Seriously, if my life had background music, it'd be circus music. So, all right, time to go outside. Okay, so we need to undo this. There's a safety thing on that. I don't know.
Can I step on your toes real quick?
Yeah. Go put some shoes on.
It's fine.
Oh my gosh. Oh great, let's call it.
Oh, click. How?
The top part is on.
1. Okay, 2, unlock by clicking. Press the. Ah, wait. Press to unlock.
So is it already unlocked? Okay, so it's clicked.
Wait.
No, it doesn't say push up. It's
Aha! Got it! I think. Oh. How did I do that? I don't know. How did I do that? Ah. Please work, please work. Oh! Finger. I hear it! This really hurts.
I'm sorry.
Ow, I might tell these circles. This isn't enough gas. Is this gonna explode the car?
No, the car's not going to explode, is it?
Okay. Our death is in your hand. I think it's empty.
Okay. Oh, you did it! You put it in the car. That should be enough to get to the gas station.
Hopefully it won't explode the car with the 2 different type of gases.
It's not. That's unleaded. That's fine until I get to the gas station.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put this back down.
Thank you. We all have this motherly instinct, even when you're totally afraid of something. But she was restless in the cage and she's not hungry. She's had food, so I took her out. And I have to say, I am terribly scared. It just makes me nervous, but, you know. Everything needs love, right? Jonah will be proud of me, but I am literally pooping my pants and hoping she doesn't poop on my shirt. Yeah. Did you have enough time with Mama? Can I go put you back now? Ooh. I deserve a mom award. A huge mom award right now. I'm lighting a candle, and this candle is from Bath and Body Works. It's the winter candle. It has like, well, the basic winter one has a cabin on it. This one doesn't. Like on the, it's just, wow, it's just all sparkly. Well, it's in the holder, but it smells insane. Like, I could burn this candle along with the leaves scent that Bath and Body Works has and burn that all year round. This candle just smells so good. Good morning. Yes, no makeup. I think I'm gonna make it a no makeup day actually. Had a crazy morning getting the kids out early. We had tutoring early, and then I had a dentist appointment. And now that I'm home and had breakfast and played with Sporky, I'm ready to hit the ground running. And I love sitting at my vanity and putting my makeup on, but I just don't feel like it today. I just want to get to work. You're gonna see Monday how I cleaned out my recipe cabinet. It is a good de-junking video. Oh my goodness, I hit some good spots in my home. But I still have, this is the remnant of it last night, because then dinner came and putting kids to bed, homework and all that. So I want to finish clearing all this that was in that cabinet. Oh yeah, all this. A lot of this is recipe, so I'm gonna go through this and sort it out and find things at home or garbage or whatever. Will you join me? Thanks. I'm gonna put my apron on because I need some mojo. Actually, no, I'm gonna put my hoodie on. I'm gonna go put my hoodie on. Hold on. Would you look at that? Just look at it. I mean, come on. She custom made this hoodie for me. I mean, really? But oh my goodness, thank you so much, Martha. I really love it. It's cozy, and I'm gonna stay in it today because I'm freezing. It was so cold in the dentist office. Why are dentist offices like ice boxes? I don't know, but I am now freezing. So I'm gonna wear this while I clean. So thank you. So I'm gonna take you along with me today. So isn't that awesome? I did post a picture on Instagram. You've probably seen it. Yeah. what I'm doing right now is taking my HelloFresh recipes and putting a punch hole in them so I can put them in my binders. These are the ones I threw a lot away because they were doubles. If they send me, usually they send me out 2 boxes to feed our family of 6, and they'll have the double of the recipe in it too. I gotta go buy more sheet protectors, so right now I'm not gonna worry about that. This is going to be the new keto binder for any recipes that we get there, or for our keto diet. So I gotta create a new recipe binder.